If your body feels tired even after resting, if your mind keeps running even when everything around you is quiet, and if stress feels like it has quietly become part of your daily life, this video is for you. Most of us don't realize how much tension we carry until we finally slow down. We move from one task to another, sit for long hours, scroll endlessly, and tell ourselves we'll relax later. But later never really comes. Real relaxation is not lying on the couch with your phone or distracting your mind. Real relaxation is when your body feels safe enough to let go and your mind feels calm enough to be present. That's where yoga comes in. This beginner-friendly relaxation routine is designed for people who feel overwhelmed, stiff, mentally exhausted, or simply disconnected from their bodies. You don't need flexibility, strength, or experience. You don't need to push, stretch hard, or perform perfectly. All you need is a few quiet moments and the willingness to slow down. In this session, we focus on gentle movements, calm breathing, and deep relaxation that helps reset your nervous system. By the end of this video, you won't just feel stretched, you'll feel lighter, calmer, and more balanced from the inside out. Welcome back to Fitness to Go, where healthy living meets simplicity. Today's video is all about yoga for beginners. We have 5 life-changing routines with a bonus that all those interested in starting their yoga journey must try. Let's get into it. Routine 1. Breathing awareness. Purpose. The purpose of breathing awareness is to calm the nervous system, reduce stress signals in the body, and bring the mind into the present moment. This routine helps shift the body out of fight or flight mode and into rest and recovery mode, which is essential for true relaxation. How to do it? Begin by sitting or lying down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes if that feels safe. Gently inhale through your nose, allowing the air to fill your lungs naturally without forcing it. Feel the ribcage expand slightly. As you exhale, let the breath leave slowly through the nose, imagining tension melting out of your shoulders, jaw, and chest. Keep the breath smooth and steady. There is no need to count or control aggressively. Simply slow it down and stay aware of each inhale and exhale. Why this matters. Most people breathe shallow and fast, especially when stressed, which keeps the nervous system on high alert. Slow, deep nasal breathing sends a signal of safety to the brain, lowering cortisol levels, reducing anxiety, and calming the heart rate. Over time, this type of breathing improves digestion, sleep quality, posture, and emotional regulation. It also becomes a powerful tool you can use anywhere in daily life. Routine 2. Gentle neck and shoulder release. Purpose. The purpose of this routine is to release accumulated tension in the neck and shoulders, which are common storage areas for stress caused by posture, screen use, and mental overload. How to do it? Start by sitting or standing comfortably. As you inhale, lengthen the spine gently. On the exhale, slowly tilt the head to one side without forcing the stretch. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Allow the shoulders to relax downward, away from the ears. You may gently roll the shoulders or move the neck in small circles, always guided by the breath. Stop immediately if you feel pain. This practice is about release, not intensity. Why this matters. Tension in the neck and shoulders restricts blood flow and breathing, often leading to headaches, stiffness, and fatigue. Releasing this area improves circulation, reduces muscle tightness, and allows deeper breathing. For beginners, this routine builds body awareness and helps prevent stress from accumulating into chronic pain. Routine 3. Spine relaxation and postural ease. Purpose. The purpose of spine relaxation is to restore natural movement, improve posture, and support the nervous system, which runs directly through the spinal column. How to do it? Move the spine gently through slow, comfortable ranges of motion. Focus on smooth transitions rather than depth. Keep movements fluid and coordinated with your breath. As you inhale, allow the spine to lengthen. As you exhale, allow it to soften and release. Stay mindful of how each movement feels, adjusting as needed to remain comfortable. Why this matters. A tense or compressed spine affects the entire body, from breathing to digestion to energy levels. Gentle spinal movement hydrates the spinal discs, improves alignment, and reduces stiffness caused by prolonged sitting. For beginners, this routine helps prevent back discomfort and supports long-term mobility without strain. Routine 4. Lower body tension release. Purpose. The purpose of lower body relaxation is to release deep muscular tension stored in the hips, thighs, and legs, helping the body feel grounded and stable. How to do it. Move slowly and intentionally, allowing the hips and legs to soften with each exhale. Avoid forcing stretches. Instead, stay present and breathe into areas of tightness. Focus on relaxation rather than flexibility. Let gravity do the work and give your body time to respond. Why this matters. The lower body often holds stress from long periods of sitting, standing, and emotional tension. Releasing this area improves circulation, posture, and mobility. A relaxed lower body creates a sense of grounding, which naturally calms the nervous system and reduces anxiety. Routine 5. Full body relaxation. Purpose. The purpose of full body relaxation is to allow the entire nervous system to rest, reset, and recover from physical and mental fatigue. How to do it. Lie down or sit comfortably with full support. Close your eyes and allow the body to become still. Let the breath slow naturally without effort. Mentally scan the body from head to toe, consciously releasing tension in each area. If thoughts arise, gently bring attention back to the breath or physical sensations. Why this matters. True relaxation only occurs when the body feels safe and supported. Full body relaxation lowers stress hormones, improves sleep quality, reduces chronic tension, and restores energy. Even a few minutes can create deep mental and physical refreshment. Bonus: mental calm and stress release. Purpose. The purpose of this phase is to quiet mental noise and reduce emotional overload by calming the nervous system through breath and stillness. How to do it. Stay present with your breath and body sensations. Observe thoughts without engaging with them. Allow emotions to pass without judgment. Why this matters. When the body relaxes, the mind follows. Stress hormones decrease, focus improves, and emotional balance increases. Over time, this practice helps prevent burnout and builds resilience to daily stress. Benefits of consistent practice. Regular practice improves sleep, posture, flexibility, digestion, energy levels, and emotional balance. Short, consistent sessions create long-term health benefits without overwhelming the body. Relaxation is not a luxury. It's a necessity for a healthy body and a calm mind. Yoga reminds us that slowing down is not weakness, it's wisdom. When you give your body time to relax, you allow it to heal, reset, and function better in every part of life. If this session helped you feel calmer, lighter, or more at ease, support Fitness to Go by liking the video and subscribing for more simple, life-changing wellness content. Take this calm with you, move gently through your day, and remember your body listens when you slow down. We'll see you in the next video.